If you are an SEO expert, a marketing agency, or freelancer looking to do quick and effective SEO analysis and keyword research, Keywords Everywhere is the tool for you. It's a freemium Chrome extension and Firefox add-on that conveniently shows you important SEO metrics and keyword research data on Google, YouTube, other search engines, and social media websites. So what makes this SEO tool unique is the fact that it overlays SEO data on any applicable website that you are on. So let me show you how. When you do a Google search with the Keywords Everywhere extension turned on, you can see some very helpful SEO data within the Google search results page. So directly below your search term, you can view the monthly search volume for this term, the average cost per click, the competition score, and even the search trends over the past 12 months. Now, scrolling down to the organic listings, you can very quickly see some traffic and keyword numbers for these ranking pages. And on the bottom row of each organic listing, you can see some very helpful backlinking data from Moz, and you can even see the backlinks pointing to this page and even to this entire domain. Now on the right-hand side, you have some very helpful widgets as well. So this first widget here shows you some very relevant SEO scores. And this second widget shows you the trend data over time, so you can see if your keyword is trending upwards or downwards and see if there is any seasonality. And this third widget shows you some related keywords associated with your search term. You can check out the monthly search volume, the average cost per click, the competition score, and the trends over the past year. You even have access to the people also search for keywords as well to give you some additional ideas as to what other types of search terms people are searching within Google associated with this keyword. And you also have access to some long tail keywords associated with your keyword as well with the relevant keyword level data. Now, going a little bit more deeper in our keyword research, if you click on this button right here to find long tail keywords, Keywords Everywhere will show you some additional long tail keywords. So this is an excellent tool to help you do very extensive keyword research very quickly and easily. So for all of these keywords, you can filter and sort by search volume. You can check out the cost per click, the competition, the trends over the past year, and even check the trending percentage, okay? The tool also gives you some additional research capabilities. So if you click on the Keywords Everywhere extension, you can do a bulk keywords data analysis. You can analyze page content, including your competitors. You can do a bulk trends data analysis to see some trends over the past 12 months for a list of keywords. You can do a competitor gap analysis to check to see what types of keywords your competitors are ranking for that you might not be. You can view your favorites keywords list. You can even check the organic ranking keywords for any URL and also for the entire domain. You can even do a bulk traffic analysis for a list of URLs or for a list of domains. And you can do additional competitive analysis by checking the top ranking pages for any website. Now for YouTube, you have access to very helpful data within the YouTube search results page as well. So directly below your search term, you have access to the keyword level data, and within the organic ranking videos, you can check some helpful data as well, like the subscribers the channel has, the engagement score, how many views per day the video receives, and also the SEO score for the video. And on the right-hand side, you have some very helpful widgets. So you can view some search insights and check the ranking difficulty for this keyword, along with some very helpful metrics according to the competitors' ranking on this page. You can view the YouTube trend data for your search term over time to see if a specific keyword is trending upwards or downwards, or check some seasonality. You can even see the most used tags for these ranking videos. And along with the monthly search volume, the trends over the past 12 months, and how many times the tags were used. Now, you can even do YouTube keyword research as well. So if you click on this button right here, you can find YouTube keywords for your search term, and it will be displayed in this very helpful table. So you can check all the relevant keywords with the search volume, the cost per click, the competition score, the trends over the past year, and the trending percentage. So this table will give you some very helpful YouTube video ideas that you can possibly produce for your YouTube channel. So go ahead and download the extension for Chrome or Firefox today and visit keywordseverywhere.com to learn more.